Welcome to the first part of our solar panel installation tutorial. In this video, we will cover the essential aspects of preparing for and beginning the installation of your new off-grid solar power system. This involves understanding how solar energy works and knowing the parts that make up a solar-powered system. Starting from the panels themselves to the batteries they charge, we will help you get to know your system inside and out. In this next section, we will walk you through how you can select the ideal location for your solar panels. The positioning of your solar panels plays a critical role in the efficiency of power generation. We will teach you how to read solar maps, consider shading and orientation, and take into account the structural considerations of your chosen site. Next, it's time to dive into the world of solar panel mounts. These devices hold your solar panels in place and can greatly affect your system's performance. You'll learn about the different types of mounts, such as pole mounts, roof mounts, and ground mounts, and we'll show you step by step how to install them to ensure maximum stability and optimal orientation for the sun. In this final section, we will demonstrate how to connect your solar panels to your home's electric system. Learn how to safely attach wiring to your solar panels and connect them to your charge controller and battery bank. We'll also cover crucial factors such as voltage, current, and choosing the right type of inverter for your off-grid solar power system.